Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this birthday cake, 1 year old. Just a vanilla cake and decorated for little boy. I made it for my sister-in-law's son. He's 1 year old. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So the cream, as you can see, I already made it. I just used mascarpone cheese and double cream and vanilla, and I have here cold milk to put it in the cream in the cake, and also the cake itself is vanilla cake. So first things, I put a little bit of cream on the bottom of the board so they can stick to it, and I add the first cake. I just put a little bit of milk, cold milk on it. You can use the syrup, but I just don't like to use syrup too much because it's really sweet. And cold milk, I don't add any sugar to it or anything, so it doesn't add too much sweetness to the cake. So you can use syrup if you want. I'm gonna put a little bit of the cream. So I didn't give you the recipe here for the vanilla cake or the cream because I have it on my other videos. I will leave you the link if you want on the description box. But I have a lot of times I made the cake, the vanilla cake and the cream. I use this cream a lot on the recipes. You can add a lot of things to it, but the base is like double cream and mascarpone and vanilla and icing sugar, and then you can add a lot of things to it. And that's it. I'm gonna continue for the layers until I finish it all, and then just put the first coat of the cream just to cover everything up and keep all the any pieces or anything like that's gonna make it hard for the last layer of the cream. So I'm just gonna put like a thin layer to cover it all, and then pop it in the fridge for a few minutes, whatever, until you're ready to finish it. And then I'm just gonna remove any excess of the cream. For the colors, I have here I left a bigger amount to do just vanilla, and then I added a blue to the little bit because I'm just gonna add the blue on the bottom of the cake. So you can make it as dark as you want. You can use more colors if you want. I'm just used the white and the blue. You can add like a different shades of blue if you have a higher cake, like a tall cake. Also you can use any color like pink and whatever. Just make sure that you start from the bottom. You start with the darker colors on the bottoms, and then the higher you go, the lighter it goes. So I'm putting here the more cream on the top, and then the bottom side I'm gonna leave it, and I'm gonna put the blue. And just keep building it until you reach the desired amount of blue, or the desired colors that you want. So after that I'm gonna add more white just to level it up, and you know, because it was showing more blue. So yeah, so just keep adding up until you reach the amount you want. As you can see, I'm just gonna do here a swirl from the middle of the cake by turning the turning table until you reach the end of the cake. And that's it. I'm just gonna decorate it now. So I bought those online, and I'm just gonna randomly I put them, just depending how do you want them and where do you want them. You can do it differently, of course, according to your plan, according to your how you want it in a cake. And then I'm gonna put the balloon and the air hot balloon and the number 1, because he's 1. And then I'm gonna just do a little bit of sprinkles all over the cake. I have those star like snowflake shapes. I put the blue ones on the white icing, in white cream, and then the white ones on the blue. And of course a little bit of glitter. So last thing I'm gonna add is the teddy bears. I got those from Shane. They're so cute. So I put one on the top, and then I added another one on the bottom of the cake. And there you have it. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.